I'm back. Hey everyone, this is Tella and I'm excited to be here to share all the things that I found at the Dollar Tree. Oh, excuse me, one more thing. Go ahead and subscribe, that way you don't miss out on any of the fashion, travel, and lifestyle content that I have coming up. Okay, cool, let's begin. Dun da da da, the Dollar Tree. Usually I make a list before I do a haul, but I wanted it to be a surprise this time. They have the wig caps, do-rags. They're really keeping up with the times. Let's start off with things that I found that I need. Let's get that out the way. Okay, first thing that I have, I get a lot of these. I came across dazzling white instant whitening pen right here. I'm gonna try this and I'll let y'all know how it works. I've used something before, it wasn't this exact brand, but everything's only $1, so why not? The next thing I got is just a refill on some soap. I've never used this brand, but it sounds like it's gonna smell good. It says coconut milk sunset. I know it's kind of hard to see, but let's see what it smells like. Yeah, I love coconut, so this is gonna be perfect. And I also bought a dispenser. I had to go ahead and get one of my essentials. I always make sure I have face wipes. I wanted to see if they had the charcoal ones that I bought the last time when they ran out of these, but this is the brand that I usually get. It says Global Beauty Care Collagen Cleansing Cloth for all skin types. I have oily skin. I haven't had a problem with this, and this is what I use the majority of the time anytime I take off my makeup first, and then I follow that with a cleanser. Okay, so for my next item, I got just a little accessory for my phone. I'm always trying to find something. It's a stand, and this will be really good for my workspace area in my apartment. Okay, now this, I got it for mainly the intention of when I do my makeup. It's a microfiber hair wrap, so I'm excited. I'm gonna open it up, okay? Let's see if I put it on. I don't think I'm doing this the right way, but I'll look at the instructions later. Okay, so my hair, just looping it around like this. And for the sake of this, I'm just gonna put it like in a bun. Over the back part, I guess. Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna put it on my head for when I do my makeup. That way I don't get it in my hair. We got all of the non-fall, but yet essential items that I needed for the season. So let's get into the fall haul for real, for real. So it's holiday season. I live in Houston, so it's not cold enough just yet. But when it does get cold, I'm bringing this out. The Swiss Miss with marshmallows, hot chocolate. And I like to put peppermints in here. I forgot to pick them up, but this comes with 6, so that's pretty good. Then I got these 2 cappuccinos. So the first one is, you guessed it, pumpkin spice latte. This one right here is mocha. And the brand says Victor Allen's Coffee. So I'm actually gonna look this up after the video to see if they sell it in bulk, because I have to get this individually. I had to get these candles. So I have, this first one is Harvest and Hayride. And it says, what is the scent? I don't say on there, but let me just smell it again. Oh, okay, so it smells like cinnamon. I don't really smell apple. Let me see if I can see from the picture. The picture has pumpkins on it, but it's not like overwhelming with pumpkins. And then, of course, the pumpkin spice. So we already know how that one's gonna smell. Usually, I tend to light both of them up. I never really just light one because I like mixing things up. And then I have cute little coffee cups. It says hello fall. This is so cute. And like I said, I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna put my little iced coffee, my hot chocolate, my tea in there. And then this one is so cute. I know it's hard to see, so I'll read it off to you. It says, fall weather calls for a cozy sweater. Oh yeah, I forgot I had one more. I have green tea. Let's see how much comes in this one. It has 100 tea bags. This is a really good deal. I found this cute mug here, Girl Boss. This will be my little teacup here. Found the pair, the matching pair. This is so cute. It came in different colors, but I like purple, so I went ahead and just got the matching. So whoever comes here next, we're sipping out of these spooky glasses. Like, it's a requirement. Yeah, like, this is it. This is what you're getting. Just a few more items left here. So aside from the candles, I love collecting these gel air fresheners just because I could sit it down and forget it. Anytime you come and visit me, it will probably smell like apple cinnamon. 'Tis the season. All right, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. Please let me know what your favorite item was and what you come across at the Dollar Tree. That way I can see what else I may need, or you know what I just want to go ahead and add to my collection. Thank you. See you in the next video.